Hey, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I mean, alone in all the dance.
Murder people edition, cock fire full of gun like Remington.
Wagwan, my people, bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jumping at me, I beg you to just like up the video here, share up the video everybody, and we have to thank Father God say we have life. When you don't see what going on the screen, my people, Skeng link up with the GOAT himself. You understand? They were in Cali last night, California, my people, and I beat things. Because you can see Skeng, him just have a blast. Him just a tour the world right now based on what me see. Because Skeng have a show this weekend. Because everybody know this weekend is BRT weekend, my people. You must can see that on the screen. And it is going to be lit, my people. Valiant is going to be there as well. Ding Dong Ravers is going to be there as well. So anybody when have them ticket can go and go get it. And you can stay locked to Jamaican Chat because we will be covering the BRT weekend for the whole of my people. You understand? So when you don't see what go on, they were in Cali last night and Lil Wayne called up Nicki Minaj for shell on the stage. So I'm just make gonna check out that snippet them my people and then we're gonna come back.
One more time for the queen.
Yeah, my people, we couldn't do get tonight. One bag of copyrights all over the performance there. You understand? So I'm just the one showing you the vibe basically. They're in California chilling. Of course, they didn't call out Skeng on stage, but you can see what go on, my people. Them a vibe. Them a chill. And the exposure is good enough. You understand? For sure, you say. Dancehall I do things. Dancehall I reach places. And big up yourself, Skeng. You understand? When you say, you must have whisper in IG ears. You must have, I work on something in the background for future purposes. You understand? And if you not do it, open your ear the video, you start do it. You understand? So big up yourself on that. Alright, my people, take me over to the next update. Everybody gear up today at 2 p.m. The track will be out. Valiant himself. Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta, my people. You understand? So big up on yourself and don't see what go on. Right way for live right now. And when time Valiant collect him award, because everybody knows that Valiant was the man of the year, right? In terms of the IRFM awards that came out. And he went up against some big people. Against some big people. The nominations them did huge, you understand? And he came out successful, you understand? So big up yourself where that is concerned, Valiant. And my people, this is the update on my have phone for today or this morning. You don't know anything else at drop. We're gonna make everybody get it. You understand? So as I say, everybody stay tuned. Especially this weekend, we will be covering BRT weekend. You understand? And that will be in Ultra Race, my people. Anybody when you get a chance to get them ticket, don't worry on yourself. Stay locked to Jamaican Chat. All the performances, everything, we will have them. You understand? So maybe gonna just stay locked, stay tuned. I'm gonna check out the nominations for the RJR Music Awards. And also, as Mr. Valiant became the victor of all of that. Stay tuned, my people. Jamaican Chat. Big up.
To call the DJ of the year is to become royalty. You are dancehall's king of the moment. And this title is a star in the crown of any DJ, new or experienced.
Earning this title is a graduation for the rookie, as he's now seen as being among the big players. And earning this title more than once is not only confirmation of the acceptance of the DJ by the public, but has now given him iconic status.
The male DJ of the year is the big man of dancehall. his value immediately rises nationally and internationally. While this might be the fulfillment of a dream, it's not one that he can take lightly, as he now becomes the man to dethrone, even by his closest peers.
Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for Male DJ of the Year are Massacre. Everybody,
Here to present the award for the Male DJ of the Year is RFM's radio presenter and businesswoman, Katrina DJ Sunshine Irons.
Alright, let's see what's happening here. Male DJ of the Year. Oh, what do you think, Queen?
Valiant.
What do you think, Queen?
Valiant.
Speed of Jesus. Right, tease of my baby man. Valiant! Male DJ of the Year.
Congratulations to Valiant.
Valiant.
Wow.
I will so graciously accept this award. So graciously and humbly accept this award on behalf of Valiant. Thank you so much for making me who I am, Valiant, and the rest of it. And I want to big up God, and I want to thank my mama, and so on. And so some of the things that you'd probably say. Alright,
Big up
Congratulations again to Valiant, and big up to Shine always, looking fabulous as usual, Shine.
Yes, Sunshine, big up yourself.